looking at fish. I've been dreaming about fish. No, I ain't been dreaming about no fish.
Oh, hell no. Oh, no. Cut. What's up, guys? No time no see.
What's up, peoples? What's up? What's up? What's up? Fishing the tie ready, baby.
What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What's up, baby?
So today, we're going to go and check out this boat that we seen. We're looking to. Huh?
The what?
The boat, bro.
The boat.
Sorry, it's not a boat app.
Don't worry about it. We're going to go and check out this boat that we've seen and start some new adventures. We've been fishing off the bridge for all our lives. And we're looking to upgrade. This is the year of upgrade.
Upgrade, baby. It's time to have fun and really get out and enjoy life and just live. You know? I grew up around the water and all that, man. Now it's time for me to get in the water. You feel me?
Yeah, we'll probably get some snorkeling gear. So right after we scoop the boat up, we're taking care of some other business today too in regards to the semi. So we're just trying to balance everything the best way we can. But I mean, everything's an upgrade as of now, so can't really complain. Blessed and busy.
That's the name of the boat.
Yeah, so we're gonna get some life jackets.
So you can get how to swim. And then that thing, so don't make your clothes get wet.
Yep.
I get it.
Yep. So today is basically gonna consist of scooping the boat if everything goes well, some life jackets,
Scoping out different docks.
yeah, looking at some docks.
Which I might grab me a fishing pole and just, while they looking at docks, I'm gonna be fishing. You feel me?
Yeah, he could probably just practice putting the boat in the water and just dropping a line or two because he seems to have fishing fever. I told him he needed to wait until Saturday.
It's been 2 months. I've been looking at fish. I've been dreaming about fish. No, I ain't been dreaming about no fish.
Oh, hell no. Oh, no. Cut. We ain't dreaming of no fish. That's what we not gonna do. What we not gonna do.
What do you think you're gonna drink off a fish?
Don't worry about it.
Enough fish in the sea. You see all these fish?
You gotta
1
eat
fish,
it.
2 fish, 3 fish, blue
Them ain't fish, them monkeys.
But yeah, so today that's basically what we're doing. It's in Florida, of course. I used to want to move out of Florida, but I mean, I'm a Pisces, so you know I'm a waterhead.
We're going down to the Keys, baby. The Keys, baby. Yeah, the Keys.
Yeah, and we just left Miami, so we went on a, what did we go? Speedboat ride.
Speedboat ride, and it just made me wanna fish even the more.
And just being in that water, I just started looking for boats, and we think we found the winner to get us started.
Winner, chicken dinner.
So yeah, stay tuned.
Yo!
And we are here. There's the boats waiting on us.
They got dogs. Oh,
And there's a switch up there, up under the throttle right there.
this right here?
Yeah, it works too. So you can do it right there. And then it's got a locker here. And then when you crank it, you'll pump this bulb, fill it up full of gas, and then you'll crank it up. Now sometimes it's cold nature. It is a 2-stroke. So you never dealt with 2 strokes, dirt bikes, 4-wheelers?
No.
All right, so you have to mix oil in with the gas.
Okay, it's like it's a ratio or something.
Yeah, it's a ratio.
Okay.
I got a jug thing I can give you, and I'll give you some oil. I still got some of my truck from last time it went out. It's a 1 to 50 ratio, so you need, when you fill the boat up with gas, it'll hold about 40 gallons, which is a lot.
I like this.
I'm gonna have 2 poles back there. I'm gonna come up on it. Hold it.
Yeah. hard. Bend your rod.
If it's hard, then you're right.
He was like, yeah, that's not gonna cut it. If that cod not gonna pull it. Cause I'm fat. I got a bad back.
I could have went up there and cranked it up. Another thing, I always shut the motor down like that, and because all the fuel run that way. Just try to crank it with it turned up. Yeah, try to crank it. Right here, and you'll see it lift off the trailer. And when you see it,
So just basically just start floating.
yeah, start floating. When you see it start floating, I stop. Come right here. I'll take this one off first. This is safety chain right here. Come down, let it loose, pull the safety chain, and then after it starts floating, I'll take this, unwind it, and I'll normally tie a rope right here
To the dock.
and I'll push it off and then tie it to the dock and drive out. Then when I load it back up, I put it in the water, put the trailer in the water to about right here where I can see these bumps. At least.
We made a lamp. This is gonna be the cooler for the fish. That's the cooler for the food. Beers from last time. Look at that thing.
Yeah, these beers still good.
And an open beer with a good seal is a great one.
Okay, y'all, excuse my appearance. I just woke up, but I think we made a mistake getting this boat, or I made a mistake getting this boat. It's 7:20. It's 7:20 in the morning. And he's talking about getting on the boat. Not only is it 7:20 in the morning, but it is 50 degrees outside. But it warms up around 11. But pray for me. And boat life continues. Just had to rent this puppy to pull the boat, which the people at the rental place did mention that people that have boats, it was more efficient for them to just rent as they took the boat out than it is to buy. We were going to buy, but I mean, for the price we got it for today, really can't beat it. So, hey. All right, we are now at the bait and tackle shop. We stopped to get some crystals. Then we're going over there next to get some ice. And the boat's still tagging along in the back there.
Yeah, baby. And we just got this new truck. After we got this new boat, and we got fully gas.
We got fully gas.
We got a whole bunch of gas. Full of gas. And on the last video,
Actually, that's not wrong.
on the last video, Daddy was talking about he gonna drink some fish.
Really?
He gonna splish it up and then.
Goodbye. I am scared, y'all.
You scared?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Hey, y'all, look at me. I'm about to fish. I'm about to fish. You feel me?
I'm so nervous.
I'm so anxious. I done took my vest off, y'all. I'm good.
Huh?
I'm not scared.
Me too. Y'all just try to stay still and don't do a lot of moving around. What?
Carry it out here.
Oh, Jesus. In the middle of the darn water. Pray for me. What we got? Ooh, they fighting. That's a nice size. So that's mine, huh?
Nigga, you got that trout.
That's mine, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, shit.
What do you think we got?
Wait.
See, for nourishment, so nobody just been pray.
Amen. Sandwiches on the water.
Come on, hand me back at the Dorito.
Grab my bottle of Dorito.
Yeah.
Somebody have my bottle of Dorito.
About the water.
Some water? That's over there by Daddy. Ashley, did you put that juices in here?
What you do today?
No, I'm not gonna read the instructions.
And then the boat gonna be on the concrete, cracked in half.
Even a caveman can put this thing together. You feel me?
Pray for me. Almost got the new one on.
And I still ain't reading no instructions.
I mean, it seems so.
90%.